Well, my fancy brand new, well, not brand new, my fancy new to me 2022 Mack Anthem won't start. Lucky me. But I'm not concerned about it. It's a crank no start. She'll crank. It just won't fire. So I wanted to just make this short video. There's a couple real common issues with these things. So I'm not terribly concerned. Number one, these things get 500,000–600,000 miles on them. They'll need injectors. A lot of times injectors and cups. And you'll get a crank no start, you know, because you probably got an injector leaking down and you're losing your prime. But there's another way these things very commonly lose their prime. So I just wanted to show you, and that's probably what the issue is with this. But it's under warranty. It's got full factory warranty, so I'm just going to take it in and let them handle it. But it is something that can be inexpensively replaced, I guess, or what the hell's inexpensive these days, really. So let me show you quick what the common issue is with these things. So I guess rather than common, I should say not uncommon, because I'm not a Mack mechanic. I can't say what happens to a lot of trucks, but this is the third Mack I've had that, see this silver button right here? That's the fuel primer button, and this will be the third one if that's what the issue is that I've had leak. That is replaceable, and I'm just going to plunge it a bunch of times here until it gets hard, and then I'll know we got fuel. See, 3 pumps and it's already 4, 5, 6. She's getting pretty stiff there. So I think we're probably going to be able to start this thing now. I'm just going to go a couple extra. I can't do too many here. Alright, now let's jump up and try to fire this thing up. Alright, let's wish me luck here. Alright, right on the money. So if you get a Mack or a Volvo, same issue, same thing. MP8 engine or D13 that does a crank no start, first thing to do is just get out there and hit that primer bulb quite a few times. You'll feel it getting really stiff. That's how you know when you're getting fuel through it. And most likely she'll crank right up for you. Like I said, it's happened quite a few times over the years to the different MP8 engines we've had. So there you go. Hope that helps anybody.